Beautiful glossy mirror glaze has taken the cake world by storm. CakeCraft makes it easy to jump on this sweet trend with prepared mirror glaze that's ready to go. Check out how easy it is to use. Adding just a little bit of room temperature water to the glaze will help it to flow freely. Start with 1 ounce and add up to 3 total ounces if needed. Stir it in until the glaze is completely smooth. White mirror glaze is totally customizable. CakeCraft coloring gels blend in completely to create customized shades. The mirror glaze also comes pre-mixed in 6 vibrant colors, including ruby red. When your colors are ready, prepare your pan with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Use a small can or bowl to elevate the cake so the glaze can flow freely all the way down without pooling. The glaze will stick best to a fully iced and cold cake. Now for the fun part. Pour your glaze from the center of the cake outwards, letting it cascade down the sides. Pour over a single color to make a glossy, bold statement. Use multiple colors and a swipe of an offset spatula to create visual interest. Add shimmer while the glaze is still wet with a sprinkling of pearl dust. Let as much glaze drip from the edge of the cake as possible, and then use your offset spatula to gently remove any excess before transferring to your serving plate. Save the rest of the glaze for your next cake. Who knew that cakes this gorgeous could be this easy? Show us your mirror cakes. Tag us on Instagram and Facebook to share the baking love.